Mobile computing brief evolution. So, in today's computing world, different technology have emerged. These have grown to support the existing computer network all over the world. With mobile computing, we find that the need to work from one physical location has been completely end. So, there is no need to work from a single physical location. People are working from home. We hear of terms such as commuting, which is being able to work from home or the field, but at the same time accessing resources as if one is in the office. So you can work from home, but you can access all the resources of the office. So the advent of the portable computers and laptops, personal data assistant, PC tablets, and smartphones has in turn made mobile computing very convenient. Uh, for example, uh, the portability of these devices ensure and enable the user to access all services as if they were in the internal network of their company. So these devices are what very good in processor, high speed processor. So these are very fast, and through this you can ensure and enable the user to access all the services. So it is like you are working in the internal network, not on the wireless network. For example, the use of tablet, PC, and iPad. This new technology enables the users to update documents, surf the internet, send and receive email, stream live video files, take photographs, and also support video and voice conferencing. So all this can be done very easily through these mobile computing devices. The consent and ever increasing demand for superior and robust smart devices has been a catalyst for market share. So uh, lots of demand is what increasing, and you have seen that each manufacturer is trying to carve a niche for himself in the market. हर कोई जो है अपना नया नया मोबाइल हैंडसेट लेकर आ रहा है, और जो है प्राइस तो कंपटीशन है, और यू कैन सी दैट कि उसमें सॉफ्टवेयर के भी कंपटीशन आ गए हैं अभी. मैनी मैन्युफैक्चरर आर गिविंग रेड एम आई. पहले पता नहीं क्या क्या, आप लोग मोटोरोला पहले सुनते होंगे, अभी रेड एम आई इतना हिट हुआ, और फिर एप्पल टॉप पे था, रेड एम आई उसको टक्कर देने लगा. तो different manufacturers are coming and with new things and new devices and with high speed. These devices are invented and innovated to provide state-of-the-art application and services. Different, for instance, different manufacturer of cellular phone have come up with unique smartphones that are capable of performing the same task as computer and at the same processing speed. तो प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड भी मैटर नहीं कर रही है. द मार्केट शेयर फॉर डिफरेंट competitor is constantly being fought for. For example, the manufacturer of Apple iPhone operating system, फिर गूगल एंड्रॉयड, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज का मोबाइल है, रिसर्च इन मोशन ब्लैकबेरी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. अभी ब्लैकबेरी इतना नहीं चल रहा है, लेकिन एक टाइम था हम लोग का 2010 वगैरह में, 2008, 10, 11. फ्रॉम 2005 टू 11 ब्लैकबेरी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को बहुत ज़्यादा वैल्यू थी. अभी तो एंड्रॉयड को ज़्यादा वैल्यू है. आर कॉन्स्टेंटली competing to offer better product with each release. The need for better portable, affordable, and robust technology has made this vendor to constantly be innovative. तो कुछ नई नई चीज हमेशा इन लोग देखो ऐड कर रहे हैं. अभी पहले फ्रंट कैमरा इतना अच्छा नहीं था, अभी फ्रंट कैमरा भी बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है, फिर फिंगरप्रिंट आ गया, और भी नई नई चीज़ आ रही है. तो you know better than me. Market figure and statistics shows an ever-growing need to purchase and use such devices for either professional or personal use. So for personal use also, people are using all these things. Smartphone. It is this light that services to suit long-term implementation are developed or innovated. It has also pushed other industry vendors to adopt services that will provide better services. For example, cellular services providers are forced to improve and be innovative to capture more subscribers. जैसे अभी जियो आ गया, तो तो ये सेलुलर सर्विसेज प्रोवाइडर है जियो भी. तो इतना कंपटीशन हुआ, तो अभी आजकल वोडाफोन का भी थोड़ा अच्छी सर्विसेज देने लगा, तो ये कंपटीशन की वजह